Not a bad view to start off the morning, huh? That's not a bad view. That's not a bad view. Just doing some cleaning, some maintenance. And yeah, another one up here in the mountains too. Figure I knock them both out while I'm up here. So just doing the thing. Just doing the damn thing. All right. Plugins. The buggins. There you go, sweetie. Oh. The ones by the grill are always the worst. Oh yeah. That's how I do it. I don't give you much room to get that cover out of the way, do it. Not particularly. This motherfucker. Yeah. Whew. All right, let's see how walk-in looks. If we can get behind it, maybe. Oh. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Hey, pull those guards though and blades and scrub those. Definitely do that. It's fun. Yes, sir. I don't trust freezer, especially when you're by yourself.